This 2023 Forest River Salem Hemisphere 353 bed is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Festus, Missouri, 63028 and is offered for sale by Optimum RV, St. Louis. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River and features sleeps 10, Slideout, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.